Hello again, students. Let's do the Crowder power. What do we got here? It looks like we have, I need to put the pencil away. Here we go. Answer the questions using the following gravity function. Y equals negative 16x squared plus 50x plus 6. Y is the blank. The projectile is from the ground at x blank. Negative 16 represents blank. The projectile has an initial velocity of blank. The projectile started from a height of blank. All right, so we're just breaking down the numbers in here. Y is the height. Height, the projectile is from the ground after x time. All right, so remember, gravity functions are always, the height is going to equal all this stuff where x is the time in seconds. Oh, so I should probably write that down. Time in seconds, just to be sure. Negative 16. Now, if you think about all the things that go into a gravity function, there's the initial starting point, there's how hard you threw it, and then this is always terms of gravity. Okay, gravity represents, where's gravity? Is there not gravity? Where's gravity? Gravity should be in here. I'm going to change that. There we go. Gravity's pull, I think, is the actual answer from Schoology. So, gravity's, gotcha. The pull of gravity, negative 16. So that's the only thing that's pulling you down. So that's weird. I thought that has an option. Interesting how that works out. The projectile has an initial velocity of 50 feet per second. So remember the numerical value, it's always connected to the x. That's how hard you're throwing the projectile, or how the initial velocity, that's the power behind it. The projectile started from a height of 6. There we go. So remember, the c value is always the number that indicates where it started, the initial height of the item. So when you do like dropping ones, usually they drop from a certain height and there is no initial velocity. But in this case, it starts at 6 feet. We're throwing it 50 feet per second. Negative 16 represents gravity's pull. Y is going to be the height, and x is going to be the time in seconds. All right, so these other ones were just distractors, so don't worry about those. All right, that's how you do the Crowder power, more gravity function breakdowns. See you in class.